Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Update error code is 0x80248007. So you can very easily fix or resolve it. So first we need to follow my few steps. Firstly, search troubleshoot settings and open it. Other troubleshoots, click on it. Now this Windows update, click on run. Now wait some few minutes till this process will be complete. Now close it. Now search CMD. Click on run as administrators and also right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrators. It asks permission, so click on yes. Some cases not ask permission. And type this command, this sfc space / scan. Now so just type this command line and press enter. Now wait some few minutes, this processor will be complete. If this processor will be 100%, you see this process will be 100%, so type this second command. If you comment, so I will give you in description box this command. Just copy in description box and paste it. Just right click on it and this command will be pasted. So this both command process will be complete. So close it and restart your PC or laptop. After restart, your all problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please subscribe this channel and comment this video work for you or not.